Didn't realize so many people don't know how to make an omelet. What I'm gonna do is show step by step what I do. Slice the potatoes. This is just gonna be a potato omelet. High quality ingredients. So I love this pepper, and I always use pink Himalayan salt. Use a high quality olive oil. Just keep it in a nice decanter. Time to crack the eggs. These eggs were laid yesterday, so they're amazingly beautiful. Look at how orange and clear. They haven't been washed because my chickens are so clean they don't need to be. They are room temperature. It doesn't matter if you take them out of the fridge. I like to use between 12 and 14. It just gives enough depth to the omelet so it's not flat. And I will scramble them up. I'm gonna add maybe just a little pour of milk to make them a little extra creamy, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Nothing is as good as an old-fashioned fork. So that's ready. If by any reason you haven't added your salt, pepper, garlic powder into your potatoes, it's a good way to do it now into the egg. Turn the heat up a little. The potatoes are golden. I don't like them burnt. At this time, I switched to a metal spatula. You can hear the egg going down. Now at this point, I turn the heat down, hover for a few minutes, but I'm gonna stand here and watch because flipping will be next. This really does help it. You'd be surprised, you can pull it away and then you just let it set. And I will cover it now too. This omelet is basically ready to flip. Ready for the next flip. Here we go. One more press. Make sure the center is good. And it's basically finished. Sprinkle with a little fresh parsley, and you're good to go.